Okay, I'm going to assume that you already have a YouTube channel and you want to get started and know how best to get things done. All of us want that 1,000 subscribers. All of us want that 4,000 hours of watch time, and it's not an easy task. So in this video, buckle up because things are going to get as cold as fuck. This is probably one of the countless YouTube videos you've watched telling you how to get 1,000 subscribers and telling you how to get 4,000 hours of watch time. And most of those videos are just vague and misleading. Most of them don't even give you proper answers and they're just all over the place. Also, most of the time they talk about things that you don't even know of. Things like TubeBuddy and Reddit and SEO, etc. I'm just going to break this down as simply as I can for those who really don't understand any of that stuff and how to really start growing as a YouTuber. So for this video, I've compiled 10 important steps for you to follow. And if you've already watched until this far, it means that you are committed and interested in learning properly how to get YouTube started. Number one, if you are not magically attractive like I am, you best be as entertaining as shit. We all know it can be kind of awkward to look into a camera and talk to yourself, but trust me, over time it just becomes normal. Tip number two, nobody cares, literally. Nobody gives a flying fuck about how your day has been going. Or if those goddamn hot noodles in your reaction video made your rectum bleed. Get straight to your content and your audience will thank you for it. Imagine I started this video with explaining to you how my day was. Yep. Point number three, sub for sub. This is a no-go. Besides anything else you can be doing that is detrimental to your channel is asking people to subscribe. And why people aren't talking about this is beyond me. I just for the life of me cannot understand why YouTubers aren't talking about this. So essentially this is what happens when you ask somebody to subscribe to your channel. Let's assume you have a gaming channel, which most of you probably don't because South Africans don't really do gaming. But if you are an international person, you can use this example as you wish. If I get my sister to subscribe to my channel who is absolutely not interested in any sorts of gaming, then I'm basically getting somebody who's going to be on my channel that's not going to engage in my channel, not going to like my videos, not even going to watch them. And the signal this sends to YouTube is that the person watching your content isn't that interested, and therefore the video that you have published is not entertaining or worth distributing to anybody else. In fact, getting people to subscribe to your channel just for the numbers actually does more harm than good. So a big piece of advice is to don't let people subscribe to your channel if they are not interested in that specific topic you are talking about. On to the next point, like and subscribe. This is a big one for me because a lot of the times you will hear YouTubers say, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, blah, 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 blah. How do you expect somebody to like a video that they haven't enjoyed or hasn't had any value given to them? Don't get me wrong, liking a video really gets the YouTube algorithms dick hard. In order for you to earn those likes, you need to be more entertaining and you need to have good content. So for that piece of advice, give this video a like and see what happens to it. Don't overthink your videos. There's no better time to start than now. Stop overthinking it. If you have a piece of content or an idea, just let it go out there. The more uploads you have, the better for your channel. Stick to your niche. If you don't know what niche is, go and Google it. Stick to that topic. Don't deviate from that topic so that YouTube can identify your channel as that specific topic so that your videos can be reached to people who are interested in that topic. Consistency. You have to be consistent. There's no point in you uploading once a week and then all of a sudden once a month and then never again. You are not going to grow that way. So if you're not in this for persistence and you're not in this for the long term, better off just fuck off. Next point. Stop spamming your videos on Facebook, Instagram, and all other places on the internet that you can think. Nobody wants to be spammed with YouTube videos, especially if they are not even interesting or they don't even care about it. This can apply to somebody at a shopping mall, for example. You know those guys that have the surveys and they're busy sitting, well not sitting, standing around and moving up and down with those surveys. You are not keen to walk up to that person and go let them speak to you on what they are selling because those people are generally annoying and that's what you come across as if you're going to be spamming your stuff all over the internet. And even if spamming does work and some people do watch your video, it's only going to be for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. That will tell YouTube that your video is trash and therefore it will not get moved on to other people. Next point. Choose a topic people are actually searching for. If your content is about bleaching your pet's pubes, the chances of you getting views is very slim. Next point, aesthetics. Aesthetics meaning the attractiveness of your channel, colors and moving parts and unicorns and rainbows and all that kind of shit. Make it look like it's happening, like something is going on. Because if you don't have that aspect in your YouTube channel and everything is just like grayscale and weird, nobody's going to want to subscribe to you. This is also a very big one. Movement. Make sure your content is engaging, moving parts, split scenes, throw the shit around, make everything like just pop up from nowhere to keep that viewer entertained, to keep that viewer watching. Because if you're just going to make a video with you sitting there talking a whole lot of whatever, nobody's going to sit around for 10 minutes watching your video if you have nothing positive to say in the first minute. So if somebody jumps into your video and they're not just like automatically glued to it for no reason and things are not popping up and moving around and splashing around, those people are likely to just leave your channel and never come back to it. So the most important thing is to make sure that your channel is beautiful. Let it poop out rainbow glass from a unicorn's behind. Let it be all happy and friendly and whatever. Just don't be fake and be yourself. Most importantly, just be your goddamn self and stop trying to please everyone and think that you are weird, because you are not. If you want to do YouTube and you want to make this thing work, then you just have to be you. There's no other way to do it. Lastly, make sure your thumbnails are awesome. Make sure you get good watch time. Make sure you get a good click-through rate. In the next video, I will be explaining these things more in detail. And as you can see, this is mostly for South African YouTubers. If you're not from South Africa, these things apply to you too. So if you found any value in this video, give it a like. Also, give it a like. And also in the comment section below, if there's any questions you have, ask them. I literally have 6 subscribers. It's not like I'm going to be balls deep with comments and don't have time to reply to you. So until you get your shit together, I'll see you in the next video.